Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is planning to offer crypto trading. I think this is big news for crypto. The second thing I would like to talk about is, the new inflation rates for January is coming out today, and well, they expect maybe 7.2, something like this. But what if it's bigger or what if it's lower? Let's talk about it because it could have a big impact on the market. And the third thing I would like to talk about is two big companies. One is McDonald's and the another one is Gucci, and they both aiming to get into metaverse. This is what they said, guys. All this in today's video. Let's do it. If you are new to this channel, then you should know that I bring this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday. Therefore, if you are curious and would like to stay up to date, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe, bell button, all. That's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also check out the links under this video, many useful ones, such like a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And when we're looking at the market right now, we can see that Bitcoin is in the last 24 hours, 0.6 down, 1.3 Ethereum went down. So Bitcoin just under 44,000, Ethereum is just 3,158. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see that the Smooth Love potion, it's 48% up. Just barely in the top 100 because this is here the list of the top 100 at 99. Secret 3.2 up, and the order is again interesting. Theta Network 6.8. I don't know when I search on last 24 hours top gainers and then they mess it up. This one, does it look better? Not perfect, but like Leo token went down almost 12%. I have to search actually here now. Then we have Loopring 7.8, and we have here Uniswap 7.2. This would be really, or actually here Decentraland as well, the top 100 here among the the tokens which went down recently. Okay, and when we're looking at here the Bitcoin chart, we can see now recently that we again reached this 44, but couldn't break this level. And at the moment, we can see, I go here on 1 hour one, we see that the candle has started to go down. So guys, again, watch this. If now is the time about, roughly speaking, when the numbers coming out, but now I just couldn't find it. I had to start the video, but if these inflation rates are worse than expected, then actually this can go further down rather to skyrocket. So let's talk about the first topic. The first topic is all about BlackRock, and BlackRock, which is planning to offer crypto trading, and this is actually huge. Okay, so we have now BlackRock, which is the world's largest asset manager. And let me share the screen. Here we go. So, the New York-based company, which manages over 10 trillion in assets for institutions, plans to enter the crypto space. In other words, clients would be able to borrow from BlackRock by pledging crypto assets as collateral. So yes, BlackRock, as I said, is the biggest asset manager in the world, and they would like to really get into this business. So BlackRock has already sent some positive signals to the market regarding crypto, including CME Bitcoin futures, as per filing with the US SEC. The company also has plans to launch the iShares blockchain and the tech ETF, an exchange trade fund tracking an index composed of companies involved in crypto technologies in the US and abroad. So they have done already things according to Crypto. Plus, BlackRock also owns 16.3% of MicroStrategy. And we do know the CEO, Michael Saylor, is a big believer of Bitcoin. They have put tons of money, the company money, MicroStrategy's money, into Bitcoin, and BlackRock is the owner, 16.3%. So definitely, if they have a vision about crypto and it's going to be good, and now they're planning to offer these kind of trading opportunities for the customers, and they are the largest asset managers in the world, it definitely is something which can help crypto a lot in the future. Right, the next topic I would like to talk about is today's announcement you're waiting for, and maybe it's happening now-ish, which is all about that what was the inflation back in January. So we had in December a 7% inflation rate, and now we're waiting for the new one, and they say that it could be around 7.2, and actually, if it's around 7.2, then probably everything stays neutral. But if it's lower, the market actually can go up. If it's higher than that, the market go down. So this is the number what we're watching. And when you're looking at here, since last February, so based in last 12 months, not even actually because this is like December, so we don't see the January data here yet. We see this is the increase of the interest rate, and now we reach 7%, and you shouldn't forget about it, that these numbers were last seen in the 1980s. 1982 was the last time we have seen something around 7, and now, Jerome Powell said that yes, probably it will be above 7%. How much? This is now the big question. But look, when you're looking at the last 25 years, we have way bigger than any other year. Of course, the maximum than the early 1930s or something, end of 1930s, you see here, actually not even 30s. Let's go here, 40s. We seen tremendous inflation. And if you compare it to this, basically nothing happening now, but this is not the number. Look, you have to look at it more closely, and this is last 25 years. So recently, this is definitely a significant one. And now this is the number we're waiting for. It can have an impact on the crypto price, even already today. And the whole thing in general. So obviously, stock market, crypto, and so on and so forth. And now let's talk about two companies. They would like to join the metaverse because, metaverses are getting hotter and hotter. So we have seen several companies, Nike, Adidas, you name it, they joining metaverse. And now we have here McDonald's. And the iconic American restaurant chain McDonald's looks like it's preparing to make a move into metaverse by registering for 10 trademarks in virtual space. Based on the application, the restaurant chain will be able to provide downloadable multiple files for artwork, audio, video files, and non-fungible tokens, so basically NFTs. They also here, who's this guy? Where's his name? Yeah. Josh Garvin, he said that I think you're going to see every brand that you can think of make these feelings within the next 12 months. So believes that everybody, big ones, will join the metaverse and have some kind of, contact or approach towards this direction. Another one, actually, let's talk about fashion brand Gucci. It's also, they buying land in Ethereum game Sandbox to create metaverse experience. So here we go. The designer clothing brand announced on Wednesday that it bought an undisclosed amount of virtual land on the decentralized blockchain game, the Sandbox. Gucci will create them experiences on the Sandbox inspired by its Gucci Vault platform, which lists items like Gucci themed NFTs and vintage bags. So basically, it's very funny here. In addition to a fashion-focused metaverse space, Gucci also will release fashion items for Sandbox players to purchase and wear in-game virtual reality. So now you're not buying just Gucci as clothes for yourself, but if you have an avatar, you have a character, you know, you can dress it up with expensive clothes, which actually are in this kind of metaverse, the sandbox. And, you know, we do know that Snoop Dogg also has an area in his sandbox, and so many other companies. And this kind of, you know, thing is getting more and more fashionable now. And with the hype of the NFTs and everything, metaverses are getting very hot now in 2022, seeing that major big companies joining the game. Right, so that's it for today, guys. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday. I wish you a nice day. I'm back tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.